Rob, here's a game of marbles to be played with table tennis balls.
Right.
The challenge is for you to see if you can use that table tennis ball on your side of the river and strike the one in the middle of the river, somehow or other, so that one comes to my side and the other one stays in the centre.
Well, I guess if I go gently, that should do it. No,
Let's both keep rolling and come over this side.
I'll try again a bit harder.
Glancing blow doesn't seem to do it.
No, I guess if it's like marbles, I must hit it hard and right smack dab in the centre. Let's see if that works.
Ah, well done.
Yeah, nearly.
You solved the problem. Here's another problem for you. Can you start with a ball on your side, and there's one in the middle of the river, and strike this one in such a way that you end up with one on my side and one back on your side?
No, that's harder. I guess I have to strike it on the other side, which means, can I bounce it?
You can, yes.
Well, that's going to be tricky to judge. No.
Very tricky. Missed that time.
No.
Almost. There is actually an easier way. We'll be back a little later on to see if you've worked it out. Rob, if we want one table tennis ball on each side of the river, bouncing might work, but I think backspinning should work even better, provided I hit it right in the centre.
Right.
There we are.
I got
one on each side. Okay.
Well, that's rather like billiards, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
What, scrunch your finger down the back of the ball
and make it spin backwards. Yes, all right, talking about billiards, here's another challenge for you. Can you start with one on your side, one in the middle, and end up with both of them on your side?
Well, if we're playing billiards, I'd bounce the first one off the cushion and come backwards. So if you leave your arm there, I could try... That wasn't hard enough. I'll try again. Like
almost did it. What if I take my arm away?
That's harder, but I think the same principle applies. I backspin and try and collect this one
on the way back.
On the way back.
Yeah. And I think he'll probably eventually do it. It may take a few practices.
Right, I think it will do that.
And that's all for today's Curiosity Show.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I want to know. Curiosity.